Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I hope all is good. So I bought some car accessories from Amazon and they have arrived. So the first car accessory is the car iPop handle and the other is a lookalike mic which I will tell you while unpacking. Actually इसका जो बाहर का जो कवरिंग है जो Amazon से आता है वो मैंने ऑलरेडी निकाल दिया था because of the corona and इसको 7 दिन के लिए क्वारंटाइन भी किया है. So now these products are safe to be handled. So let's start with the video and do the unpacking. The first product which I am talking about, this is iPop mini power handle. iPop is a famous brand when it comes to these knobs or steering handles. So this handle is basically used for maneuvering your steering when it comes to parking your car in a compact place. Means when you have to twist and turn your steering for a couple of times, so then it comes into action. The best part of this handle is the durability and reliability because I am using it from past 15-20 years and there is no problem at all. The one I have installed is still there in my car, and unfortunately I have sold my car, so I was looking it for another car and I got it on Amazon. So I will share this link in the description box so that you can also purchase it from Amazon if required. So now let's unpack this. So guys, let's start with the unpacking. So guys, I've unpacked this. So we get one holder from the behind. It will stick like this. I will show you how to install it in the car, so it will help you when you buy and get it. So guys, these are the adjusters. You can adjust it according to the steering. Okay, and this is a pin given. This is a pin given to put it here. So I will show you how to unlock it. I will show you how to fix this. It is very easy. The procedure is very easy. So you will be requiring one Allen key or an L key, which they have provided, and a screwdriver is required. That obviously you have to get it from your home. They are not providing it. So I will show you how to fix this. Why it needs to get open, you will get to know in some time. So these two are the adjuster. You can adjust it according to your steering, the size of the steering I am showing. Please note that while opening it is we don't have to pull it. Okay, so we have to extend it and then it gets opened. So please keep in mind. Now I will check if this gets fit. So guys, मैंने थोड़ा एंगल चेंज किया आपको अच्छे से देखने के लिए. So now I will remove this. For removing you will need this pin. You have to just put it and push it. Maybe it is from that side. You have to just push it so this small pin which is inside gets out, and then you can remove this. And again they have given a secondary attachment, so you have to put this here. Okay, and you have to again put this pin inside. So you just have to insert this pin. This pin goes inside. So बहुत मेहनत के बाद ये फाइनली दिस हैज गॉन इनसाइड, और ये जो उसका एडजस्टर है उसमें डाल के और उसको ऐसा So guys, I have fixed this finally. देख सकते हो थोड़ा सा राइट में रखा हूँ मैंने, वो मोशन में काम आता है. So this has been fixed. So guys, this is the second product which I was telling you. So this is basically a mic for car. No, I'm kidding you. This is actually an air freshener which looks like a mic. You can place it on your dashboard. So the company is McMahon Air Freshener Air Pro, and the flavor is musk. A nice fragrance it has, and this is specifically made in India. The product description I will put in the description box, the link for the product description. So let's unpack this. So guys, let's unpack this. I think this is not required because, as I said, partially I have done the unpacking. So here there is a screw which you have to remove. So this is the mic. Then with that you get this solution. Then this is the part which I was telling you, which we have to keep inside this. This is a sticker which you have to stick the bottom. And this is a key by which you can remove this. You have to just insert this and it gets removed. So here you have to place this, and there is a manual where it is shown how to fill this and the various methods. So this is the manual. So these products you get. So this is the mic, this is the bottle, fragrance bottle, this is the sticker, this is the key to open this, and this is the actual box. So I will open this also. And you can refill it with this solution. Second product which I fixed is this. This was a simple one, so इसका मैंने वीडियो नहीं बनाया है क्योंकि there is a sticker they have given and you have to just stick it, place it wherever you want and stick it. So I hope guys you like this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel Obsessive Car Desires. We are also on Instagram now, so please follow us there also. Till then, stay tuned, drive safe, stay safe. Tada!